In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI as a powerful writing assistant. If you're looking to improve your essays, articles, or any writing, this tool can help you find your weaknesses and rewrite your content with better clarity. Let's get started. First, go to the Claude AI website. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily create one using your Google account or email. I'm signing up with my Google account. Next, you'll need to verify your age. Just click the option that says you're at least 18 years old, and then click Continue. Now you'll see the plan options. Claude AI offers a free plan, which I'm going with. But if you want access to more features, there's also a pro plan for around $17. Totally up to you. Then it'll ask you a few setup questions like your name and what topics you're interested in. After you answer those, your account will be ready. Once you're in, you can chat with Claude's writing assistant. Bottom, you'll see an option that says, "Help me identify my writing weaknesses." I clicked on that. Claude then asks you to share something you've written, like an essay, article, or email. So I copied my written essay and pasted it in the chat, then hit send. It analyzed my writing and gave me some great feedback, showing areas where I can improve. Really useful. Next, I typed, "Can you help me rewrite this answer with those improvements?" And just like that, Claude gave me a revised version of my essay, much better and clearer. There's more too. Claude AI can help with things like developing character profiles, writing product descriptions, coding help, and even learning tips. Just explore the options under the Create, Learn, or Coding tabs. And that's it. Claude AI is a great writing assistant with lots of useful features. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or want me to test other AI tools, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.